I'm always down to try a new coffee recipe, and today I'm making a chocolate cold foam, because why not? You'll need some sort of chocolate powder, and I actually recommend Chamberlain Coffee's Grizzly Hot Cocoa powder. It's creamy, it's smooth, it tastes nice, it tastes like actual chocolate, and it froths up pretty nicely to create like a velvety texture, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about.
Spoiler alert, here's a sneak peek.
You're gonna love it.
First up, you'll want to pour 1 serving of your creamer of choice, and I used vanilla oat milk. Then you actually want to microwave it for like 15 to 20 seconds, and I know it's cold foam, but you're adding 1 tablespoon of hot cocoa powder, and if you want that to dissolve, I do recommend microwaving it first. So you want to add 1 scoop of that in there, and then you are able to froth it. I used a handheld frother. You could also do it in a blender, or you could try shaking it up in a jar. But you will definitely see everything start to kind of combine, and it starts to, froth up really nicely. And then you want to fill a different glass with a lot of ice, and that's because you want the cold foam to go on top, so you need the cold brew base in the other cup. For cold brew, I used the cold brew elephant from Chamberlain Coffee, and you just put one of the little satchels into the fridge with water for 24 hours. Make sure to leave plenty of room for this cold foam that goes in so nicely, and then you are ready to enjoy. So here's another up-close shot of that amazing velvety texture. It honestly is a mocha, and if you like chocolate, this is definitely the way to go. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more DIYs in coffee. Now go try this!